Make sure you stay protected from the elements. I'm Brittany with WTI, and these are the BAODINI travel mini umbrellas, and they are for rain or shine. Because they're so compact, they're so easy to slide into any size of a purse. They fold so nicely, and that's what helps them get so small. So when we were out and about, it was easy to whip out, open up, and they extend quite a bit and open so wide to really protect you from that sun, that rain, whatever you need them for. I love the bright blue and also the black set. It made it easy to tell which one was for my husband and myself. You definitely can fit two people underneath it, but it was definitely nice to have personal ones for us when we were out and about, and they close so easily. It's not one of those things when you open it, it's impossible to get it back into the package. It wrapped up and fit perfectly every single time into the case. They were perfect. But that's just my point of view.